English name is Kobe, and my friend always call me Seal. My hometown is Kaohsiung, and now I study in Fengjiang University. My major is risk management insurance. I have many friends here. We like play basketball and baseball together, and we live together. My interest is watch movie. I was born in November 10th, 1996. I am outgoing and I like help people. There are 4 people in my family. My sister and my mother, my father, and me. My sister is a nurse. My mother is a housewife. My father is a sales. I love them. This is my favorite singer.
突然落过了眼睛，最怕空气突然安静，最怕朋友突然的关心，最怕回忆突然翻滚绞痛中不平息，最怕突然遇见你的消息，最怕自己已经决心自己会。
Thank you for your watch. Hello, my name is John Cena. You can see me?